Have you ever wondered who the first AI worker in the office really was? It was early RPA. Give it a set of rules, and it could handle repetitive, standardized tasks with predictable results and full control. It was loyal, steady, and always got the job done. Teach it something once, and it would follow through perfectly. Just a bit rigid and clunky. But everything started to change in 2025 because AI agents showed up. They're not like traditional systems that only wait for instructions. Agents can understand, reason, prioritize tasks, read what an email actually means, and make the right decisions in complex situations. But the real magic happens when agents and RPA work together. The agent decides the logic and path of the workflow. RPA runs across systems to make it happen. The agent adjusts the plan. RPA instantly executes the new strategy. The agent reads the email, understands the intent. RPA carries out the classification. And yes, the agent can even explain why. So RPA isn't just a button pusher anymore. With an agent acting as the brain, it becomes a teammate. One that adapts, understands tasks, and works alongside you.
Boss, I leveled up. I can think for myself now. Time for a race.
Can you not copy that human habit?